Benson, what are you doing with a cutlass?
So you thought I was joking? When I told you you'd be on social media, you thought I was a comedian, that I was joking, right? Is that what you thought? You thought I was joking, right? Huh?
Benson, please, don't do this.
Well,
I am begging you. What crime have I committed meeting you? What have I done wrong?
when I asked you to marry me, you didn't regret it. When I asked you to be my wife, you didn't regret it. When you were busy spending my money, you didn't regret it, right? Is that it?
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're sorry.
Fine. I can pay back. I can pay back all the money you have spent on me. I can. Just, please.
So you have money to pay me now, right? And you and your husband cannot even afford a male lawyer. Oh, you want to pay me, right? And you and your husband couldn't afford a male lawyer to defend you in law court against the atrocity you committed in your community. Yeah?
Benson, you're right.
I'm always right.
I'm wrong. Please. I am begging you. Don't kill me.
I shouldn't kill you. Suddenly my mother becomes evil in your eyes. My mother becomes irritating to you. Eh? Suddenly my own darling mother. Or because you're a fine girl. Fine girl. What if it was your mother that was in my mother's shoes? Will I not love her? Eh? Now listen. Open your leg, let me have you one last time. Open your leg now.
It's been over 4 times. Please, don't. Please, no. No, not anymore, please. Please, I am begging you. No, 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 no.
Oh, you're counting it. Of what use is it? When I'm going to have you, even in the pool of your blood. Now listen, I'm not going to say this one more time. In fact, I need to record this. Yes, I need to have this on record.
Benson, don't do this.
Shut up!
Please don't.
I said shut up. Keep quiet. I'm joking. I think I'm joking. Listen.
This is insane. Do this, please.
Recording you.
Please, Benson.
Shut up, shut up. Just look at me, just look at me.
Benson,
You think I'm joking?
please.
Now open your legs. Spread your legs!
Benson, no, please, no.
Come on, spread your legs.
Okay, fine.
Now come on. You think I'm joking?
Mama, I don't understand. What nonsense is this now? Where could she be? Mama, are you sure Theophilus didn't catch her on the way? Mama, just calm down. My problem with Elizabeth is this. She doesn't like to make efforts. She's too lazy. Mama, don't worry. Obi's coming over soon. How's Junior? Okay, just calm down. Let's be hopeful that she reaches out in no time. Mama, that guy is very dangerous right now. He chased Obi with a cutlass. Yes! Mama, it's okay, just calm down. Let's hope she calls in no time. Yes. Obi is coming to be with you. Okay, I'll call you back. Okay, I'll call you back. Thank you.
Yeah, that's okay, sir. The lawyer is here and he wants to see you.
He's here?
Yes. All right, shall we? Ready?
It's a pity what a beanstalk could have solved has little more harm and bloodshed. You have ruined your lives with this. You are destroying your lives with this.
I don't know what is wrong with children of nowadays. If you tell them what to do, or say Gemba, that her own thought is better for her, their condition now. At the end of the day, on no fafia, it will not fail them. What is all this? What is all this? Every police officer have one problem or the other. Only God knows where all this is coming from. Only God knows who he has offended. What is all this? I told this girl, don't marry this boy, marry that boy from our village. I say, I love him. I want connection. I need connection. What kind of connection? From ordinary police officer. Poor connection. Poverty connection. And the person now cost the money he or she gave to him. What is all this problem now? Huh? Okay, look at now. Look at. What do I do? Where do I start from? Where is she? Where is she? Back on no. Now she left everything for me. The next thing now, Obi is coming to this place. Obi coming to my house to come and bear another burden on my head. I go Ebunya. She better come with her own money. Come with her own food. Because as it is now, even to fend for Junior and I, we have a problem. And when you add this early Obi, it's not possible. Or not possible. Or not possible. What kind of wahala is all this now? Everything they say more easy. I don't even know where she is. Don't even know where she is. Ha! Usobu. Nah. This is a problem. This is a problem. What problem?
Thank you very much, sir, for inviting a lawyer. I appreciate this, sir.
You're welcome.
Well, the case has not been charged to court. And from the look of things, he did not commit the crime. A minor committed the crime. So I think we can defend him in court.
Yeah. Please do something about it. See what you can do to help the situation.
Madam, please, I'm totally confused. I need your help. If there's anything you can do to help, solve this entire situation, because my family, I'm afraid for them. Okay? Please, just help me, ma'am. Please. Thank you very much.
Oh, just please see what you can do, because, I better based on your level of professionalism. See what you can do to help him. Eric?
Sir.
Be good.
Thank you very much, sir.
Be good.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
All right.
Benson, I'm sorry for what I did to you before. If I could rewind the clock, I would marry you. I would love your mother. But I can't. That's all in the past now. Forgive me. If I could rewind the clock, I would do it. But I can't now. Trust me, if I can turn back time, I would marry you in a heartbeat. I would love your mother like she were my own. Right now, I can't. I'm a married woman now. I have a husband. I have a son. Please don't kill me. I am begging you. Don't kill me. You can have my body for as long as you want. You can keep me here for as many months as you wish to. I won't hold it against you. I won't complain. You can do anything you want to me. But if I ever leave this place, if you decide that I should leave this place anytime, I promise I won't take up the case against you. I will just say I was kidnapped. Oh, please. Don't kill me. Please.
You think I'll believe you? Do I look stupid to you? Huh? What do you take me for? You think I don't know what I'm doing, right? You think I'm not prepared for the consequences of my actions? Now listen, I am ready to see this to the last. Now let me tell you what I will do. I will use my money to send your husband to prison. Then after that, I will meet my doctor friend. I will pay him well. He will inject you with a drug that will cause you amnesia. Then after that, you won't remember this town anymore, nor the individuals living inside it. You forget everybody. You will only remember me. And after that, I will buy you a wedding gown and myself a suit. We'll go see a priest and he will have us wedded. Then I'll fly you out of the country and I will make as much babies as I want with you. Then after that, I will kill you and drop your body in the river. Now listen to me. Just in case your family member sees you, you won't remember them at all. You won't. You won't remember anyone in your past.
You
won't.
Benson, you don't have such a heart.
Oh really? Oh, you think I don't have such a heart to do all the things I'm saying, right? Is that what you think? Then you don't know me at all. Really, right? When you treated me the way you did, but you had a heart to do the things you did. Huh? I have been looking for you for a long time. And now that I've seen you, I would do to you whichever way I please. You will never forget in a hurry. I promise you that. Now listen, go and have your bed. Don't want you to be smelling because you haven't had your bed for days now. Get up.
What you cost on yourself, you have seen what you have cost. Who is to be blamed? The day has become night. In a twinkle of an eye, no pity, no pity, no conscience, no pity.
Brother, come, let's please.
No pity, no conscience, no pity. Anger issue, no pity.
Mommy is here. My son is here. My son. Stand up, please. Come to mommy. Please, please come. Leave me alone! Please. Leave me. Come to mommy. Leave me alone! Let me be with to Mama.
Regina,
come
please.
to Mommy.
Stand
Come
up,
to Mommy.
please.
Leave me alone.
Please, chill, do something now. Do something.
Mama.
Tio.
Mommy is here. Mommy is here. Please, I want to go with
Regina,
you.
please.
I want to go with you. I want to go with you. I want to go with you. Let me come back to life. Oh.
Regina, please.
Amy, come to Mommy. Come to Mommy. Come, Amy, Mo. Amy, Mama. Baby, Mo. My baby, come. My baby, come back to me. Come back to your mommy.
Can you get up? Can you stand up? Sunshine, come on.
Baby, Mo. Leave me alone. I want to bury my son. Leave me.
Sunshine, it's okay.
Mommy is calling you. Mommy wants to be with you. Okay,
Come now. It's okay.
Regina, please.
Stop now.
I want to go with my son.
You can't. You want to leave me? You want to leave me alone? Sunshine, come on. Come on.
Please.
Let's go. Stand up.
Please.
Sunshine, stand now. Please. It's okay.
You're not going
Monica,
anywhere.
Monica, leave my bag.
You're not going anywhere.
Monica, what is it now? What is it? Can you one? Is there must to be with you?
You will be with me.
For what now?
You can't be in this village with me. And we fell in love.
Monica, please, see here. We're already in a mess and I don't want any trouble to start. Leave my bag alone.
The trouble is what you want to start. Trouble start.
I can't have mom now for
How can you just start a relationship with me and you want to leave me to go to another village? Who will take care of me in the night?
Can you imagine?
When you were here, I was taking care of you last night. I made you to be okay. After all, you don't hear yourself. You are saying I should go deeper.
I met you poor no see.
You are doing all this. Did I enjoy?
You took advantage of me.
Yes. You are not going to.
Just leave my bag.
You are not going anywhere.
Let me just lock my door first.
Stop.
Think I'm playing what? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you stupid?
You slap me. You slap me.
Monica, mind your business, oh.
You slap me. I don't like you kiss him, man. I don't like the way you always do it. Every time you be dragging. Huh? See, get up, please. Get up. Let's finalize this thing. Get up. Boyfriend and girlfriend will be doing something. I will be taking it serious. Why am I more? Huh? Does a woman slap a man? It's not good now. Get up, please. Get up. Let's finalize this thing so that I will know if you want to go, you go. No problem. Can't you want also? What is all this? I can't go with when I'm trying to bring lawyer. Only me for that. Small thing, you'll be shouting, you'll be making being angry. Get up, John. Obi.
Help me. Please help me. Can anyone hear me? Help me.
Help me! Help me! Help me! I don't want to die here. Please. Please, I don't want to die. Yeah, God. What have I done to myself? Why did I agree to meet with him? Why? Why? Please, God, save me. I don't want to die here. Please. Please, help me. Help me.
Where are they? Where is that opposed man? Where are they? I've come to kill all of you. Hey, hey, you better stand up before I will slice your throat. Where are they? Come out! Where's the British wife? Stand up! Who is here? Who is here? Come out! I'll kill everybody here! I'll decapitate your body! Idiot! You scallywag! I said wake up! Think I'm going. See. If you listen. You're pretending to be dead. I'll have to cut off your neck. You see, you're just for me dying, oh. You're just for me dying. If by the time I cut your neck, you wait. If I check you this time and you're breathing, you see what I'm doing. Eh? Hey!
What has Theo done to this girl? Theo has killed this girl. Yeah. Theo!
Why are you doing this? If you are doing this thing for me not to do anything, better get up. Oh. I'm leaving this village. Oh.
The very day Theo will rule this game. He is aware that Eric's wife and son are no longer in this village. So he goes to terrorize this little girl. Yeah? I will not say anything.
I will really not say anything the very day Theophilus will wound that little girl. Yes, he is fully aware that Eric's wife and son are no longer in this village. They've left the village a long time now. But Theo goes there to terrorize this girl. But tell me, if he wounds her now, then he will get what he's looking for. Yes, he will get it, but I will not be there to be seen. Nonsense. Waiting for Nacho. By the way, where is Regina?
We have managed to get her into the house.
Hey!
Iche, please. Please. You need to help us. I beg you, we need help. Her condition is getting worse by the day. We need you to help us, please.
She's already mad.
In that case, I will send for the woman. I will go to the woman. I've already discussed with her. She is a spiritualist. And she's capable of curing Regina. I'll go at once and fetch her. I don't want her to go to a psychiatric hospital. Because it will ruin the image of this family. What is it? Where are you from?
I was angry. And when they said my wife has gone mad completely, I wasn't happy. I couldn't bear the pains. So I decided to go to Eric's house to threaten the sister. What did I see when I got there? I saw the girl lying lifeless on the ground. I didn't kill her. I didn't kill her. I swear I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
I don't want it, Ojo. You caution the AI, it refuses. When they want to cut off the head, to follow it. I have warned you several times. Who did you say is dead? Who did you say is dead?
The girl is dead. The girl is dead.
Which girl now?
Eric's younger sister. I didn't kill her. I'm innocent to Ichi. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I'm innocent. I didn't do anything. Ichi left my cutlass there.
Your cutlass?
Yes.
And I told them. And I told you. You didn't do anything, but you went there with cutlass. Are you pursuing Nchi?
Come here. When you win, hey! My wife is smart. You expect me to be happy? I didn't kill her. I only went there to threaten. And I saw her lifeless body on the ground. I didn't kill her. Makachi, I didn't kill her.
What is this? Are you joking? What are you talking about?
I didn't kill.
I don't like when I'm telling somebody something. If I want somebody over something, he will not hear. Right. When he runs into trouble, he will come looking for me.
My own prayer is, this thing brother is saying, it should just not be true. It should not be true at all. Because if it's true, see brother, if this thing you're saying is true, you see this thing you're sitting here, you're not even supposed to sit here at all. Right. By now, you should leave this village already. Because, see, nothing on this earth will stop you from entering jail. Hey.
Jail how? I didn't touch her. I didn't do anything to her. I came there, I saw her lying. I kicked her on the leg thinking she was pretending. I examined her, I touched her, I did everything. She was not moving and I left. Oh, I didn't touch her.
Then you left your cutlass there.
It was an error now.
You use cutlass on her?
I didn't. It was out of...
Story. Theo, this is a long story. And there is nothing that will stop you from not entering jail. Prison straight. You see why we're trying to stop you?
I didn't do anything. I didn't touch her. I didn't believe... Somebody should believe me. I didn't kill her.
See why we are trying to stop you. What is really going on?
What is actually going on is that Theo here is this proverbial stubborn fly that follows his corpse to the grave. What is really going on is that when someone has the spirit of unforgiveness, that spirit of unforgiveness, it will compel him into so many things. It will push him into so many hurtful experiences. That is what is going on here. I've warned you several times. And let me tell you this with this opportunity. I just pray that the girl is not dead, actually. Because if actually she is dead already, count me out from this case. I will not be part of the case. That is one thing very clear. That's all. I've warned you several times to hold yourself as a man. You didn't want to listen.
What did you do to Obi?
I didn't do anything. I didn't. I saw her like that. I didn't touch her.
Liar! Liar!
I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
I was in the city. While in the hospital, I was hearing what is going on between you and my brother Eric. And I guess that is why you killed Obi.
No. I didn't kill her. I didn't touch her. I saw her like that.
Ikedi, I hope you are here. You seen what your brother did to Obi? Eh? Is this a revenge or what?
I didn't. Wait, Melo, I didn't.
Look out, man. It was yesterday I learned you came back. And I thank God you are healthy now. Calm down. Let us rush to that scene and see if we will take the girl to the hospital immediately. Maybe we can still revive her. We can still revive her, please. Biko, let's go.
Let's go.
Meanwhile, would you? Why you stay with your brother here? Ngozi, come with us. And okay, I can't do coach. I can't do coach. I can't do coach. I didn't kill anybody. I can't do coach. I didn't kill anybody. I didn't kill anybody.
Eric, I am no longer happy. I am tired. Yes, I said I am tired. I've not heard from my daughter. And they expect me to be happy. What is all this? Ha! I don't know what is happening, no. Ha! My daughter left this house all because of you. And you expect me to be happy. Eric, since you can make call from there, why not call and know what is going on? Eric, call your sister. Then get back to me. Because as it stands, I don't even know her whereabouts. I don't know how to go about it. What is all this now? What is all this? It is a why now? Why are you doing this to me? What have I done? I don't even know any of the friends that you went with. And one can't get stop back at you. I don't even know how to go about it. And you expect me to be happy. Eric, if anything happens to my daughter, you will not like me. Oh. You will not like me. What kind of wala is this? All these children, they will not heed the advice of their parents until problem arises. I told this girl, don't marry this boy. Don't marry this policeman. He has nothing to offer.
It's a pity. What a beast could have solved has little more harm and bloodshed. You have ruined your lives with this. You are destroying your lives with this.
So I don't even know how to start. Who will I ask? Ha!
Yeah, take her. It's true. If she's not dead.
Iche, she's dead though.
Wait.
Is that not Tio's cutlass?
Hey! Arwe, man. What are we going to do? Huh?
Ishe, have you seen it?
Hi!
I was coming into my brother's compound. I saw you running away from here. Is he not Tio's merchant? Eh? How can Tio now deny that he's not the one that killed this girl? How? Eh? I was trying to settle these children all these years. Eh? But both of them, Eric and Tio, refused. Eh? See, as you can see, I'm not fully okay. But I told my son to bring me down to the village so that I can see how I can handle these children and settle this matter once and for all. But I need to call Eric. Eric has to know about this so that he will know what is going on now.
No, okay, Chalo, it has not got into that. Let's watch this girl.
No, don't tell me that.
She may not have fully died. She may just need a little help. Let's rush her to the hospital and maybe revive her. Yes, it is possible.
Let me start going now. Tio will never hear word.
Ngozi, you know what now? Eh? If you make this noise again, I will break your head with this staff. Nonsense. Come on, run and go and get me one keke. Go and get 1 tricycle. Jessica! Go and get, let's take her to the hospital. God will do something there. Are you hearing me?
Okay.
The way I'm seeing her, eh? Watch her. There's no external wound. Should be internal.
If we didn't tell the police, nor tell Eric, eh? Me and you will answer what killed this girl.
Let's go to the hospital. Let's go and try. She might be revived.
When has you become a doctor?
I'm only predicting.
That's enough.
Don't worry, I'll be
That's
waiting
enough,
for
Mama.
you,
We'll
okay?
calm down, we'll calm down.
How nice is very?
Play very well.
Okay. Come on, let's go to the house.
Let's
Come on, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go.
You don't want to come out.
Don't worry,
Let's go up now. Let's go.
So let me just get I'll come back to you.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Let me open the door. Mama, come, let's go. Mama, come, let's go.
We'll calm down.
Sir, there's trouble.
Eric, what is it?
Sir, that guy killed my sister.
What guy are you talking about?
The guy whose son was shot by my son.
What? How?
Sir, I just got a call from my kinsman. They told me that they found my sister lying dead on the floor. That they saw him running away. Sir, I told you that guy is dangerous. He's been threatening to kill everybody.
Yes, you told me, but I thought you asked her to leave the village.
Sir, they said they saw a bag close to her dead body. It is possible she was trying to run away when he killed her. Sir, what do I do now?
Cobra!
Sir.
I need to leave this village. I need to leave this village.
Are you serious? Who helped you losing the rope that I tied you here with? Well, that's not a bone of contention right now. Now listen very good. I just got back from the village with my mom and a caregiver, okay? You'll be sleeping with them in the guest room downstairs. Do I make myself clear?
Benson, I'm sorry for everything I did to you. Please, forgive me. I'm too weak. I don't want to die. Please.
Yeah, I am forgiving you, and that's why I didn't inject you with the drugs that will cause you amnesia and make you have memory loss and forget everyone you ever knew, you understand? So, I forgive you, but get married to you, yes.
No.
We are getting married in this town.
No, Benson. I'm a married woman.
Shut up!
I'm a married woman.
Shut up! Shut up!
Okay, fine, I'm sorry. Ah!
I don't want to hear you say this rubbish again. Now listen very good, okay? Hey!
Officer, please. Officer, please. Please, I'm begging you, please.
Officers, wait. What is
it? Help me beg these people.
Now answer me, Tio. What did you do to that girl?
Nothing.
Are you saying nothing? I'm just coming from the hospital. I see the girl lying like any other. Oh God. Move. Wait, shut up, officer, please. One more minute. Just one more minute. Eh? I can't do your cha. What if he made it? Your presence was seen there because you were constantly present in that scene. Secondly, your machete was seen there.
Yes.
Yet, what if he made it?
Let me explain. I went there to threaten the girl. But when I came, I saw her lying on the ground. I kicked her, tried to check if I didn't kill her. If I did, I will tell you now. I'll tell you. Oh, Chichi.
I want you.
Move! Officer. I
am coming behind.
Please, why are you dragging me over?
Officer, please.
Go with them. I'm a lot.
Please help me, I beg you. I don't know where to start from. Oh, please help me.
Uju, it's okay. It's okay. What do I do now? Tell me. What do I do now?
If you ask me, I will say Tio is the cause of all this problem. Now see where he has landed everything. See the problem going on with him right now.
What am I going to do now? Am I going to get a lawyer to defend Tio in a case involving him and Eric? Or go ahead and find the woman that will kill Regina, his wife? Or find a lawyer that will come and bail him from the hands of this police now? This boy, what did I do?
Please help me. Why is everything happening at the same time? Help me now. Please help me now.
It's okay. It's okay.
Help
Listen to
me
me.
now,
Listen now. It is happening like that because you cannot possibly be exonerated from this incident. One, listen to me. Eh? I went there to see for myself. He was seen at the scene of the incident. That's number one. And his machete was conspicuously staring at me there. You saw it?
I saw it.
Then how can you possibly say he doesn't know anything about it? He didn't kill the woman, the girl. Eh? It's just one trouble. 1 week, one trouble. Theophilus, leave me to live. No problem. Stand, would you? Be assured now. Listen to me. Eh? He's my nephew. Wipe your tears. Wait. You know what? I am already tired and confused. Even at my age, look at me. I've overworked myself. I need to go home, eat, take a little rest. Then I'll think. I'll be able to think to know what I will do in this matter. That is the only thing. Are you hearing me? So calm down. Go in there and take care of Regina. Are you hearing me? Eh? Everything will be handled. Can do it, can do it. Oh? Can't you offer job? Oh?
I have to go home too. I need to rest. Okay, I'll come back later.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Where am I going to stand now? Somebody help me!
It's sweet.
Sweet?
Very well.
Very, very sweet.
It's sweet.
Wait, let me test my own.
The sheets.
It's very sweet, Mama. You like it? Very, very. Water.
Ta-da-da-da! Guess who's here?
Benson. Yeah. Benson. Yeah.
Mama.
Benson. See my daughter-in-law.
Listen to me.
My daughter-in-law.
Sit down and eat.
It's your food.
Yes, Mama, she'll eat with you.
Benson, is this not Eliza?
Yes, she's Eliza. Are you surprised to see her here? She's been in one of my rooms for days now. What's that? Yeah.
Benson, what is going on?
Nothing is going on. Does it look like anything is going on? Everything is okay. Very, very okay. Yeah. Everything is going on.
Benson, please, can I have a word with you?
Mama, she'll keep you company. Right?
My daughter-in-law. It's your food. It's sweet. Well. My daughter. If I It's sweet. This food is sweet. Well.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside the room. Let's go and play.
Yes, Mama, yes. And follow her inside the room and play. Yes.
Come, Mama. But do you want me to come with the food?
Yes, come with the food. Feed her upstairs.
You like
huh?
it? Okay, let's go
And
inside.
before you go, son, did you lock the door?
No, I didn't lock it. Any problem?
No problem. I'll lock it myself.
Let's go inside and dance. Let's go inside and dance.
Mama, go inside. Go upstairs and eat. Come. Eat your food. Okay, let me lock the door.
You don't know how to talk.
You don't want to talk. How dare you? I don't know, sir. I didn't do it. I didn't do it, sir. Believe me. What happened? Who did it? Talk to me. I don't know. I don't, sir. Believe me. I went there and I saw her lifeless body on the ground. I didn't kill her. Why should I?
You killed my sister.
Your son killed my son too.
You still have it! Keep quiet and step back. Don't take laws into your hands. Cobra!
Sir! Eric, please. We can settle this.
Sir.
I mean, I don't know, I've been having issues for years now.
This man to this.
Our wife started this. And look at we're suffering it now. Let's settle.
Take this man.
Move
it. Move it, sir.
Eric,
tell me.
Move it.
What is it?
What are you doing?
I don't understand.
This is not nice. What are you doing?
Listen, have you forgotten so soon? Huh? Have you forgotten how this lady, what she made me go through 4 years ago? Have you forgotten?
I know, Benson, but what you're doing right now is called kidnapping. You can be sentenced to life imprisonment, if not death sentence. Come on.
Listen, I don't care if they sentence me, life imprisonment or death sentence, whatever word you choose to use to classify it. But the truth is, she's not leaving this place until my mom gets here and she's happy. She's not going anywhere.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Think about yourself. Think about your mom. Your mother behaves like a child. She can't even remember this whole thing again. She don't even remember the lady. Why are you doing this? If you're being caught now, what will happen to your mother? What? Or do you think I'm going to stay here for the rest of my life? Do you?
Now that you said it, I'll marry you. You will be my wife.
Benson, this is not a joke. This is a serious matter, not a joke.
Come on, I'm not joking. Do I look like a comedian to you? Do I look like someone that is joking? Listen, baby. It's okay. I get that reaction a lot. Listen, I would have told you this before now, but I was waiting for the right time to let you know my intentions. But now that you said it, just have to let you know what I have in mind, okay? There is no better person, sweetheart, that can take care of my mother the way you do, okay? Listen, I can't let you go like that. We have come a long way, sweetheart. We have. Listen, babe. Calm your nerves, okay? Everything will be fine.
In this life, think twice. One day more. Ejikwana makiwo kesu onogo. Ejikwana makiwo kesu onogo. Makana keni miruka.
I'm tired. I don't know what to do again. I don't even know what's going on in this family. I'm tired, please. I don't know what is really going on in this family. I am tired. But Achille doesn't listen to advice. He doesn't take advice. He doesn't listen to advice. Now tell me, if Brother Tio ever goes to jail, how will I cope? How will I cope? How will I cope with the mental health of this his wife? Now how am I going to cope? I'm tired.
Why is Theo like this? So after we warned him the other day, he still went ahead and hurt the girl. Is Ichekedi here? I went to his house and the children told me he came here.
He has left. He's very angry. He's very angry. Initially, he said he was going to call a woman, one woman. He said he's a spiritualist that will come and treat her.
Yes, he said so.
But with the situation at hand now, this, we have a whole lot in our hands already. See the one that you just brought again. Oh. With this situation at hand now, I don't even know if he will still remember to go to the woman.
Why? Why? Stop crying.
See, she told me that he was going to call the lady that...
Where is my son, Emeka? Emeka, my son! Oh! Where is my son, Emeka? Eh? Where is Emeka, my son? Emeka, where is Emeka? Come and sit. I should sit. Oh! Where is Emeka? Emeka!
Iche, come and help me. Come and help me.
Push me up. I'm an elder.
Emeka, where is my son? Where is my son, Emeka? Where is my son?
Take hold of yourself.
I should wait.
You're not mad yet, Regina.
Please wait, sit. Please. Give me my Emeka. Where's my Emeka? 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 Eh? You're telling me to sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. I'm sitting now. Where's my Emeka?
Regina, but you're not mad yet, Regina. Why are you? Regina,
Amado,
you're not.
You don't know?
No, I know.
I agree with you. I am mad.
Hold her.
There is my son,
push
Emeka.
me down.
I am mad. Where is my son, Emeka? Am I not mad already? Bring my son. Ojo Olishoke nebwa. Akabale ki ashabale. Ojo shakimaye wetu. Akabale ki ashabale. Baba wake dolenga. I need to pray for her now, but she needs to be alone.
Alone here?
No. She needs to be naked. Because there are some things I need to put in her body. And once the prayer is done well, her brain will reset.
Good. In that case, let's take her inside for you.
Fine. Her son's spirit is coming around. So there's something I need to put in the grave. I hope you want it.
If you know whatever you will do to bring her back to normal condition, please go ahead, we're behind you.
But you will need to take her inside. Because once she sees me around the grave, it will ignite her.
Okay.
Ojo akabale ki ashabale. Na wa ke parela.
You called me.
Yes, I called you. There is something I want us to discuss.
Benson, I do not know what you want us to discuss. But can I beg you for the last time?
What is it?
Can you let that lady go? I don't like what you're doing. Please let her go. You will go to jail once she lives here.
Then she won't live here alive. I'll make sure of it. I'll make sure she doesn't live here. alive.
Benson, you can't kill. Can you? Wait. Benson, don't tell me you can kill. And you want me to marry you.
Are you having a second thought? Huh? What are you thinking? Are you saying you're not going to marry me anymore?
Look, Benson, right now I don't know what I am thinking anymore. See, I am not desperate for marriage. I am not. You can tell me you want to marry me and you keep another lady in your house. See, Benson, maybe I will just end up working with you. Yes, I can't be working with you because I don't know you anymore. And I do not trust you. Had it been I know you kept this lady in your house, I wouldn't have come here with Mama. I wouldn't. And see, if she doesn't live here, then I will. Because I don't want to be part of something I don't know about. Yes, because if the police comes here, we are going to jail. We are.
Baby, calm down. Okay? In our speed. No police is coming here. And nobody's going to jail. Okay? I want this lady to feel the same pain that I felt many years ago. 4 years. That's all. I'm not letting her off this hook. She must feel what I felt many years ago.
I can see. I know forgiveness is hard.
It's a sin in my Bible.
But you have to do it. You have.
I won't.
Not because of her. You're doing it for yourself. You need to set yourself free from this. You need to. You're doing it for yourself. If you do not forgive her, you will end up going to jail. You hurt yourself. Anyways, I am looking for my phone.
Oh, your phone?
Yes.
Oh, your phone is in my room. It's charging.
No, not that one. Not that one. I mean the smaller one. That's where my main line is. Can you flash it for me?
Call it.
You don't want to sleep.
No, you sleep.
Can we play?
No, leave me alone. I'm busy. Can you just bring your voice down?
Give me a cheesy phone.
Can you just bring your... And you know what? Let's play. Let's play. Now. Let's play. Come on, you wanted to play now. Let's play. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know.
It's rang now and the next thing is switched off. Well, I think the battery is dead. Maybe, but don't worry. Your phone should be somewhere around my house. That shouldn't be a problem.
You should be around. I can't. Okay. I think it should be in the dining. Let me go there and check.
No. Hold on. Hush. Okay? I don't think the phone will be in the dining. Yeah, because if it was in the dining, you would have seen it during when you were packing the plates and the dishes, all that. So I believe it should be somewhere around the house, not the dining. That should be the last place your mind should go to.
Okay.
Baby, please, can we just have our discussion? Let's talk about us. Like, babe, let's talk about our marriage. I can't wait to make you my wife.
Benson, if all you want us to talk about is marriage, then we're not talking anything. Yes.
Are you serious?
I will be sleeping in the other room tonight, okay? Do the right thing. You can't tell me you want to marry me and then you end up going to prison. No. Do the right thing.
Baby, you don't know me. Yeah, I think you did, but it's obvious you don't really know me at all. Yeah. Listen, if I allow this lady to leave this place, she can blow the whistle. Even if she go around telling people I kidnapped her and I kept her here for a couple of months or weeks, or maybe. No one will believe, and even if they do, they can't do nothing because I've got every ball in my pocket. We have money. Yeah, the government can do nothing about it, trust me. Yeah, they can't do anything.
Benson, not when she sues you for kidnapping. Excuse me.
Well, I'm not letting her go until I have my pounds of flesh. She's not going anywhere. Don't watch Jesus, sir. She's not going anywhere. Why, sir?
Cobra.
Sir.
How far?
I'm fine, sir. Oh. Oh. I charged it last night, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Is your guy around?
Yes. He's just coming in now, sir.
He just came.
Yes.
In this life, think twice. One more.
What? My wife was kidnapped.
Hey Lisa, how are you? Are you angry? Listen, I already spoke to Benson about this. I already spoke to him about this because I can't be here while he keeps you here. It's not good. Whatever happens between you and him should be in the past. He shouldn't use because of that to keep you here. I promise you you're going to leave here today. I promise. Eliza, you're not saying anything. I'm not the one that kept you here. I'm only trying to help. I didn't keep you here. Mama? Oh, she's still sleeping. Eliza. Eliza, say something. Is this not my phone? Did Mama bring my phone in here? So you're not talking to me. Anyways, just take your bath because you are leaving here today. Okay? Eliza, come on, it's okay. Stop crying. I already promised you that you're leaving here today. Stop crying, it's okay. I understand how you feel. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. Eliza, it's okay. Stop crying, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I've just spoken with the commissioner. Eric?
Sir?
You are the man for the job. Cobra will go with you. You know the procedure.
Yes, sir.
You know what to do.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Do your job.
No pity at all. No pity, them my delego conscience. No pity, where is your conscience? No pity, them my delego conscience. No pity, no pity, no pity, no pity, them my delego conscience. No pity, anger issue, anger problem.
And what of Regina? I hope she slept well last night.
Iche, she slept so well. As a matter of fact, she's even still sleeping. She hasn't woken up yet.
You mean it? Eh? Thank God though. That was exactly what the woman said. Meanwhile, let me run along because I need to be in the position now. To see Tio. If I don't do that now, I become a bad man tomorrow.
Che, you're not a bad man. No. Thank you so much for all you've done for us. Thank you. God bless you.
It's okay, my daughter. You're welcome. So let me at once go. Oh? Okay. Sweep it well, oh.
Thank you.
It's a pity.
Iche!
What a beast of could have solved as little more harm and
Regina!
bloodshed. You have
Thank God, oh.
Where is my son? Where is my husband?
I bless the name of God.
Where is my son, Emeka? Where is my husband? What happened to me? I don't know what happened. What happened to me?
Emeka is fine.
Yes.
Your husband is fine.
Your husband went out. He will be back very soon. You look better. How are you feeling?
I'm okay. Where is my husband? Where is Emeka?
She's okay.
I was dreaming where Emeka was telling me that today is no school. Today is no school now. Where is my Emeka?
That is it, Regina. Calm down. Today is school. You know, go. Yes, you were sick actually.
Today is school?
Yes, school now.
Today is school. I already prepared Emeka
for school. But my Emeka told me that today is no school.
Emeka has gone to school already. I prepared him for school.
Has gone
he has gone to school already. Please, you need to go back inside and rest, okay?
She has. Uju, please leave her for me. Just go ahead. Run now and tell Ichie Ndukwe to see me here. Quick.
Okay.
Yes.
My husband. I want to see my husband.
He will soon be back. He will see her.
Ichie,
see him.
You said today is school.
Keep an eye on her, please.
I'll take care of her. Just
today is school and Emeka went to school.
Yes, Emeka went to school.
Everybody's okay.
Why didn't you tell me that?
Just
Your husband
is coming. He's fine. He's fine. Everyone is fine. Just take a rest. Oh?
Okay.
You know?
The day has become night. In a twinkling.
No, man. Don't tell me that. It will not happen. Don't just tell me that. Don't tell me that it will not happen. What's all this now? Every time they blew me Pentecost. Are you not telling a whole don't like myself what to do? No, what Jesus said, man. Let me tell you something. If you, in fact, don't just tell me what to do. What's all this now? If you know you're not ready for this marriage, you can go. Let it go.
Benson,
what's all this?
Benson, I will not marry you. And if she doesn't leave, I will leave.
They leave! Careful! Pentecost, eh? Don't have the right to revenge. Don't have the right to revenge, eh? Don't have the right.
Benson, listen. I never said you don't have the right to revenge. But kidnapping her against her own wish is called criminal offense. Benson, think about your loved ones. Think about your mother. How will she feel if you get jailed? How will she feel?
See, I'm not going anywhere. You see that lady? She is not leaving this house until I am okay. Until I've had my revenge. She's not leaving this house. No, why Jesus, man, man. She's not leaving this house. Oh man, but she's not leaving this house. You're making me to regret this, eh? Listen, you are making me to regret, oh. I'm beginning to regret why I brought you and Mama to the city. I would have just left the both of you in the village. You be telling me all this. You be telling me all this. Just look at the way you are. They blew me Pentecost. Just stop all this. I don't like it, though. I don't like it. You see, you're getting on my last level. Mama, you're getting on my last level. You're getting on my last level. Leave me alone, oh. Just leave me alone. Just leave me alone, oh.
You know what, Benson? I am leaving. I am leaving. I'm done.
You are done. Then be done and done.
Benson, let me go.
I'm begging you, please don't.
Benson, let me go.
Please now. Because I'm begging you.
What do you want from me? Let me go.
Please now, I'm begging, please. What happens?
Then what is my business with what happens to you? What is my business? Just let me go.
Please, I'm begging you, don't go. Because
okay.
Okay. Don't do something that you will regret. Okay. You don't need to leave. I promised you marriage. You don't have rejected it.
Benson, you know what? To hell with you and that marriage. Do you know the only problem you have? The only problem you have is pride. That is why it took you so long to tell me, babe, I want to get married to you. Because you have pride. Let me ask you this question. If you had gotten married to me all this while, would you have the right to bring anybody? Why
are we saying anybody? We have any right to bring in a married woman inside this house in the name of revenge? Will you? But you did it because you are bitter. You are wicked. You don't have a forgiving spirit. So just let me go.
Okay,
go in there. Go and take care of your mother.
Okay, fine.
When she wakes up, bath her, feed her because she is your mother.
Open the gate!
Open this gate!
Open this gate! Open this gate!
Go and open the gate for them.
Open this gate! Hey! Hands on your head!
Move.
On your knees! Get on your knees! I said get on your knees!
Who is Benson?
I am Benson.
Where is Elizabeth?
She's upstairs.
Where are your men?
Come on, move it! Move it! Get in there! Hey! Get inside!
Honey.
Move it!
I missed you.
Go outside. Cobra, take care of her.
It's nobody, sir.
Who is here with you?
Nobody, sir.
Huh?
Nobody, sir. There's no man. There's no man. There's no man. There's no man, sir. There's no man.
Cobra, let's go.
Ready, sir.
Move it.
Move it! Sorry.
Easy.
Sorry. Stop there!
Hey, move it. Move it.
Make one more move. One more move!
Hey,
Stop!
hold on a minute. Where are your men?
I'll put it in a moment.
Where are your men?
I don't have any men.
Where are your men?
I don't have any men.
So you're a kidnapper?
No, I'm not a kidnapper.
So what is she doing in your possession?
She's the love of my life. My ex-girlfriend.
The love of your life. My wife, the love of your life. Didn't she tell you she's married?
She did.
And you held her hostage? What is your name?
Benson.
Benson who?
Benson Okafor.
Benson Okafor. Okay. Benson Okafor, you're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent because anything you do or say will be used against you in the court of law. You can get a lawyer if you want. Do you understand? Do you understand me?
I understand you. Move it! Move it! Madam, move it!
Let's go, everybody, move.
Move it!
Let's go.
Move, take her. Move!
Move!
Please, she's not feeling fine, please.
Then drag her.
Move, let's go!
Mama, let's go. Mama, because you're let's go.
Madam, let's go. Open the gate.
Move it! Get into the car.
It's a pity what a beanstalk could have solved has little more harm and bloodshed.
You're all welcome. We cannot discuss anything now because Eric is not around. There is a case of kidnapping which involves his wife.
What?
Yes, her ex-boyfriend kidnapped her because she went to him to ask for assistance ever since this case started. Eric led the team for his arrest.
Thank God. Should we wait for him or better still, we'll go next time we'll come back?
DPO, please, I beg you, in the name of God, we have come to see if we can withdraw this case against Eric. Then take it home and settle it.
Really?
Yes.
But this is what I suggested to you people earlier. And you refused. Unfortunately, right now, Theo is involved in another case and it cannot be withdrawn. Yes.
DPO, can I tell you something?
Yes, go ahead. What? Really? Oh, better still, we cannot discuss anything right now because Eric is not still around. But if you can wait, that will be better. When he returns, we'll continue our discussion. I believe you can hang around until he comes. Let me call him.
In this life, think twice. One more.
Mama, it's okay. See, Mama, I told Benson to let that lady go. But he didn't listen to me. Now see what he has gotten us into.
I want my son back.
Mama, you will get your son back.
Bring my son for me.
Mama, don't worry. I will bring your son back for you. All you need to do now is to go inside, you take your bath, you eat, then we'll go and see him.
Yes. You take me to go and see my son.
I will take you to go and see him. You will see him.
I want to see him today.
Then you need to follow me. We'll go inside, you take your bath, you eat, then we'll go and see him.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go inside. We'll go and see Benson. Don't cry. Don't cry again, Mama. You want us to see Benson up here? We'll go and see him. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Gently, Mama. Let's go. You will see Benson. Let's go.
I welcome all of us to this place today. We have gone, we have seen, and we have conquered. Am I right?
You're right, yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, listen very well. As you can see, there is nothing anger can do for anyone but to take from him. The same thing with pride. You see pride, very dangerous. Even if you think you are the best man in this whole world or the best woman, watch it. Because pride will make you believe. But believe that you must one day die. Look at what I'm talking about. Therefore, I solicit we see each other with an eye of love. I was telling these children all these things, but they didn't care to listen to me at all. Now look at where it has landed everybody. But we thank God today that we've been able to bring this case from police station down here. Therefore, we must attempt to resolve it. And we will surely resolve it. You're welcome.
Thank you. Kuyamaka. Iche, thank you very much for your kind words. I must commend your patience. You're a father to everybody, and we must look up to you as a father. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
For everything. And to my uncle here, Uncle, thank you very much for coming. You see, my uncle has been sick for a while, and I was very surprised that he sacrificed his time to be here. we resolve this matter peacefully. Uncle, I must say thank you very much. Two of us and I, we've been family. And we've been very good friends. And I still can't understand why things are the way they are. But I'm grateful to God for this meeting. We are holding this meeting to actually let peace reign.
Good, my son. That's wonderful. Eric, from the depth of my heart, I want to sincerely apologize to you for everything. But thank God, our wife is okay now. And your wife is okay too. My wife, here's how it started.
Theophilus, what's up? How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good.
What are you doing here?
I'm going to work.
How's work?
Yes, fine, thank you.
Good. I and my wife, we're going to the city. And we heard you're married now.
Yes, I'm married.
Good.
That's your wife?
Sure, that's my sunshine.
Is this Eric?
I know you, right?
Honey, is this not Eric?
Yes, it's me. We were at the academy together.
Honey, please do, let's go. Come and enter the car, let's go.
Hey, come on, take it easy. Hey, sunshine, can you take it easy? Come on, he's a friend. You don't react that way.
Come, let's go.
I don't know.
We were at the police academy together.
It's okay.
Yeah, I think she dropped out or something. I don't know, I can't remember what happened.
Wow.
Yes.
It's alright. I'll talk more to you. Let me take her away.
Thank you very much.
It's alright.
Thank you.
Take care of
Let's
yourself.
go, you're still here. Let's go.
Shosa.
Yeah.
Shosa.
Shosa.
All right.
Who are you doing Shosa?
Sunshine. Sunshine. What's the meaning of that display? I'm talking to you. What was the meaning of that display?
Hey!
Can you talk to me?
So that guy is living in this village?
Of course he lives in this village.
Hey! So he's living here?
I said he lives here. What's the problem?
If I had known, I rather don't marry you. I swear. Yes, so.
I don't understand. What do you mean if you had known you rather not marry me?
I rather don't marry you.
Because he's from this village?
Yes.
How?
That guy did me shit. That guy humiliated me. Yes, so. Because of him, they sent me out of the police training camp. Oh, because I refused to date him. I refused to give him my pekus.
Huh?
Pekus.
So because you refused to date him, he planned and you were now sent out of the police training camp?
Oh, yes.
Really?
Because I refused to date him. Listen, see, as long as I am married to you, honey, you have to listen to me. Of course. Avoid him. Disconnect yourself away from him. Yes, sir. Just so, if you is there, avoid him. I don't want to ever see you with him. I don't even want him to have anything to do with this family.
Is that true?
Oh, yes. Honey, avoid him. Avoid choir. Oh, because of him, they sent me out of the police training camp. Because I refused to give him this.
It's okay, but that was in the past.
You need to avoid him.
You are now married. So
I don't care if he's past or not. Please avoid him. He's a deceiver. Let me tell you something. Yes, he will deceive you.
You sure? Okay.
Please avoid him if you want this marriage to continue. Because avoid Aya.
Sometimes it's good you listen to your wife. Sunshine.
Listen to me.
I'll listen to you.
You will listen to your sunshine. Avoid him, Avoid him,
It's okay.
If not,
I
will not give you this thing,
You say you won't give me this
Avoid him.
Since then, Eric and I became enemies. I don't know what he told his wife that made her change towards us. I don't know.
What? What? She said that to you?
Wait, I don't want to know or hear what happened again.
Oh, yes. Uncle, listen. You can't judge a one-sided story. You have to hear my own part of the story. But why would you do this? Why should you tell your husband that? Why?
Yeah. Eric, please forgive me. I was the one who was obsessed with him.
What?
Yes. Upon all I did to get him, he still turned me down. I nearly killed myself. I was sent out of the police camp. I hated him with passion ever since then. I'm sorry, please. Baby, please forgive me.
Uncle, did you hear what she said? That was exactly what happened.
Why did you lie? You should have told your husband the truth. Now look at what you have caused.
Hey!
Eric. Thank God we're able to fathom why all this has been happening. But you see, my greatest regret is accusing me falsely of killing your sister. I didn't do that.
Yes, Tio. You are not.
She told us who did. That one.
Who did?
She told you how? Before she died?
No, she's alive.
I'm here.
Obi!
Oh, Abi!
Obi,
look at that.
what's going on here?
You were too stubborn. You didn't want to listen to us. So how would I have told you? No. She's alive. Actually, what she says is alive.
What kind of prank is this?
When we took her to the hospital,
She's alive.
huh? Thank God.
We have to put her on oxygen right away. If you had wasted more time, she would have been dead by now.
Thank you, doctor. Please go ahead and do whatever you can to revive her. Biko, just revive her.
I'm coming.
Thank you so much. Okay. Ngozi. Nobody must hear what is happening here. Let us see if through this means they can resolve their matter. Huh? Hey! Meanwhile, go out, rush out there and call Ichioka for me. Okay. Tell him to come in and hear what doctors have to say about this guy. Let's see.
What?
Well, Tio, Regina, my family and I are so sorry. We're deeply sorry for the loss of your son. I do not want to imagine what you're going through.
please, just find a place in your heart to forgive us. We're sorry.
It's okay. I forgive you.
Please, let's end the fight. Maduka was the one that did this to me. Yes. Yes. I learned he ran away that day. That same day.
Oh. Yes. I saw him around you. Yes.
Theophilus. I'm sorry. I apologize for everything. And most importantly, accept my condolences. I'll come and see you personally so we can talk things over. And as for Maduka, the long arms of the law will get to him.
Sure.
Definitely. I assure you that.
I appreciate all of you, please. Let this peace continue. Nothing pays like love.
Okay, thank you.
It's a pity what a beast dog could have solved has little more harm and bloodshed. You have ruined your lives with this. You are destroying your lives with this. No pity, no pity, no pity. You can say you go big Mary baby. Yabi for Jabarani, Yabi Coca Ferrer. You have seen what you caused on yourself. You have seen what you have caused. Who is to be blamed? The day has become night in a twinkle of an eye. No pity, no pity, oh. Them my little conscience, no pity, oh. Where is your conscience? No pity, oh. Them my little conscience, no pity, oh. No pity, no pity, no pity, oh. Them my little conscience, no pity, oh. Anger issue.